Hey, what's up guys? This is my first Gdevelop tutorial. Today I will be showing you how to easily make your camera follow the player. So first off, make sure that you have your player and then equip your player with the repeat every X seconds behavior, which can be found in the more behaviors. You can just scroll all the way down to the bottom where you can just search it up. It'll be right there. Equip that, then as you see in the video, take the time between ticks and set it to 0.001. That means it's pretty much instant, and I mean, I wish you could put it as 0, but I find this one it works better this way. Anyways, so once you got that done, you're pretty much set. That's it. You've done it. Yeah, once you got that done, you done it. You hit play, and then every 0.00 seconds, 001 seconds, the camera will automatically change its positions to where your player's at. So you're done. Yeah. Oh, and as you see there, I put my player as a platform, so that's why it didn't work there. And then the reason why I had to mess that around because I couldn't see that the player was moving, so I thought I'd mess some up, but it was just because the platform's the same. And I'm just not smart. Anyways, that's it. Short tutorial. I'm gonna be making more of these. Anyways, good luck with whatever you're building, and have a nice day.